Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to stop Windows from automatically locking itself. Both Windows 10 and 11 automatically lock the screen after a period of inactivity, to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. However, if you prefer to keep your PC accessible without constant sign-ins, there are 3 ways to disable the automatic lock feature on Windows. So, without further ado, let's begin. Disabling Windows sign-in requirement is an effective way to prevent it from locking itself due to inactivity. Additionally, you'll also need to disable the dynamic lock feature, which automatically locks your PC when a connected Bluetooth device, such as your smartphone, goes out of range. Here's how to do both. Firstly, go to Settings, and head to Accounts. Then Sign-in Options. Under the Additional Settings section, select Never from the drop-down menu. In the same menu, disable the dynamic lock feature by unchecking the Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away option. As we know that, by default, Windows automatically locks itself when it enters sleep mode. To prevent this, you can stop Windows from entering sleep mode automatically upon inactivity. This way, it won't lock by itself. Open the Settings app and head to System, then Power and Battery. Click on Screen and Sleep to expand it. Click the drop-down menus next to Put my device to sleep after and Turn my screen off after. Select the option, Never. It's also a good idea to disable screensaver mode, as it can sometimes cause Windows to lock itself automatically. Here's how to do that. Press Windows+S to bring up Windows Search. Type in Turn Screensaver on or off, and select the first result that appears. In the Screensaver settings window, set Screensaver to None, and uncheck on Resume. Display the logon screen. Another way to stop Windows from automatically locking itself involves editing a few registry files. However, it's important to understand that editing the Windows registry can be risky. So, only use this method if the others don't work. Open Search and type in Registry Editor. Then select Run as Administrator. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to HKey Local Machine, then Software, Policies, and Microsoft from the left pane. Right-click on Windows and select New, then Key. Name the new key Disable Auto Lock. Right-click on the newly created key, go to New, and select D-Word, 32-bit value. Change the name of this new D-Word to No Lock Screen. Open No Lock Screen and set the value data to 1. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.